This is a quick review of the Keurig Hot K50 or K55 coffee maker. Now, the K55 is mostly sold in the United States and the K50 is the Canadian models. The big difference is that there is a built-in water filter. So if you're using tap water, you will be using the K55. If you're using filtered water, bottled water from a fridge or something, then you don't need the K55. So this is a great machine. It has the highest ratings when I've researched it online. The K50 or K55 series seems to be the best machine, and a lot of people prefer it over the other models that are the K200 or 400 series. To begin with, here's the water reservoir. You basically fill it up with water, filtered water from a fridge or bottled water, up to the maximum line. There's a maximum line there. And it holds 48 ounces, 1.42 liters. And here's the bottom reservoir. The bottom reservoir is for if you spill coffee, or it's easily cleaned. Just put that in there. Now, when you turn on the machine, it gives you the option of 3 sizes of water, a coffee. It's 5.25 ounce, 7.25 ounce, and 9.25. Most people use the medium. Here's the K-cup, the little K-cup drawer. You can buy this anywhere at any store. Just want to show you how coffee is made. What you do is you open this up, throw it in there. So simple. You see? And you push this down. Put a mug down there. Let's get that focused. And here's some buttons. Auto off button. That's just basically so the machine shuts off after a couple hours on its own. When the heating light goes on, that means the water is being heated for a few seconds, 15 seconds on average. There's a descale button. That's basically if there's mineral or calcium deposits. You can buy a liquid to cleanse out the machine every 6 months. That's just an add water button. So let's go ahead and select one of these buttons. Let's do the small, more concentrated coffee. It's making some noise. It's working. Typically takes a minute to make a coffee. And then a little poof sound at the end to clear out the filter using air pressure. Look at that. It's different angles. Let's see if that... There you go. Coffee's done. The good thing with Keurig, there's about 100 plus K-cups that you can purchase anywhere online. So there's all kinds of varieties and flavors and hot chocolates. It's a very reliable machine, and it's decent. And you can find it for about $100, for example, on Amazon or other places. Thank you. Please leave a comment if you have any questions.